Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to discuss some important math problems on discount based on previous year questions. We will be solving these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, after giving the discount of 16%, a shopkeeper still earns a profit of 19%. If the article is marked rupees 1350 more than the cost price, then find the mark price of the article. Here you can solve this question in two methods. First is formula method, that is, you already know cost price and mark price ratio. It's 100 minus discount is cost price and 100 plus profit is mark price. Then the difference between these two is 16% plus 19%, which is equal to 35%. And this 35% is equal to 1350 because 100 minus discount means 100 minus 16, which is 84%, and 100 plus profit means 119%. Now difference between these two is equal to 35%. Now 35% is equal to 1350 because mark price is 1350 more than the cost price. That is difference between MP and CP is equal to 1350, which is 35%. Now we need to find out what is 119%. So 119% is equal to, if 35% is 1350, 119% is equal to 1350 divided by 35% into 119%. Now here 7 goes 5 times in 35, 7 goes 1 time in 11, 7 goes 7 times in 49. Now 5 goes 2 time in 13, 5 goes 7 time in 35, 0. So 217 into 17, which is equal to, here if you look at the end of the digit, this is 0 and 7 into 7 is 49. So 90 will be in the end of your answer. So option D is your answer. That is, this is 4590. Now, if you don't know this formula, here discount means negative. 16% means 16 by 100. Now, discount 16% means if 100 part is the marked price, then 100 minus 16, 84 part is the selling price. Same way, profit means plus. So, profit is 19% means plus 19 by 100. Now, this means if 100 part is the cost price, then 100 plus 19, 119 part is the selling price. So, you can take the ratio from this. Here selling price in the numerator, here selling price in the numerator. So, I need to cancel these two. Then I can take mark price and cost price ratio. That is, here sell price and mark price ratio is equal to 84 is to 100. Same way, I need to cancel sell price. So, I write sell price here. So, cost price and sell price ratio. Cost price and sell price ratio is 100 is to 119. Now, I can cancel sell price. Now, the remaining ratio is cost price and mark price ratio. So, which is equal to 100 cancel, 84 is to 190. Now, you can see the difference is 35, which is equal to 1350. So, you will get this answer anyway. A shopkeeper sells an article for rupees 18,000 after allowing 16% discount and still managed to gain 32% profit. If he sold the article at 9% discount on mark price, then what will be his profit percentage? Here, 16% discount will give you 32% profit. 16% discount means 100 minus 16, 84%. So this 84% will give you 32% profit. 32% profit means 100 plus 32, 132. Now, our question is, if 9% is the discount, then what will be the profit? 9% discount means 100 minus 9, 91%. Then we need to find out the profit for this 91%. If 84% will give 132, then 91% will give 132 divided by 84 percentage into 91 percentage. Now 7 goes 1 time in 8, 7 goes 2 times in 14. 7 goes 1 time in 9, 7 goes 3 times in 21. Now 12 goes 1 time in 13, 12 goes 1 time in 12. So 11 into 13 is equal to 143. 143 means 43 percentage profit. Option B is your answer. If the marked price of an article is rupees 800 and the selling price of the same article after two equal successive discounts is rupees 512, then find each discount percentage. Here marked price is rupees 800 and selling price is rupees 512. Now take the ratio. Here ratio is 8 goes 100 times in 800, 8 goes 6 times in 51, remaining 32, 8 goes 4 times in 32. Now 100 is to 64. Here question mentioned that there are two equal successive discounts. This two discounts are equal. If it is equal, take the square of this ratio. Here I can write this 100 is to 64 as 10 square is to 8 square. Now here 10 is the mark price and 8 is the selling price. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. So difference is 2. This 2 is discount out of this 10 marked price. So 2 out of 10 into 100 is 20%. So successive discounts are 20 and 20. So option B is your answer. Actually the concept is if 20% is the discount, which means discount means minus 20% means 20 by 100. Then this means that if 100 is the mark price, then 100 minus 20, 80 is the selling price. Now you can see there are two successive discounts. That means mark price and selling price ratio is 100 is mark price, then selling price is 80. Now there are two such successive discount, which means again 100 is to 80. Now you can cancel this 0 here. Now this will become 100 is to 64. This is what we get here. That's why I said you can take the square. In case of you have two equal successive discount, or you can directly take this as 800 is the mark price and 512 is the sell price. Now difference between these two is 288. 288 is 36% of 800. That is 288 by 800 into 100 is 36%. This 36% can be written as 20% plus 20% minus 20 into 20 divided by 100. That is successive discount formula, which is 36%. So either way you can calculate. A dinner set is quoted for rupees 1550. A customer pays rupees 1173 for it. If the customer get a series of 2 discount and the rate of first discount is 15%, then the rate of second discount was. Here marked price is 1550 and selling price is 1173. Now there are 2 discounts. Then take the difference between these two. Here 10 minus 3 is 7, 14 minus 7 is 7, 14 minus 11 is 3. So we need to find out 377 is how much percentage of marked price. 377 by 1550 into 100. You can see 155 goes around 2 times. Now 155 into 2 is 310. So remaining 67. 67 into 10. 670 by 155 is around 4 times. So this is around 24%. That is overall percentage is around 24%. Now the first discount is 15% means 15 plus 9 is 24. So take greater than 9%. Take the option with greater than 9%. Here there is 11%. Let us check. Take the overall discount formula. 15 is first discount, Now 11 is second discount. Then 15 plus 11 minus 15 into 11 by 100 is the overall discount. Here this is 26, this is 1.65. So 26 minus 1.65 is around 24%. So option D is your answer. Now you can calculate this question in different method as well. That is, here first discount is 15%. 15% discount means minus 15 by 100. Now this means that here 5 goes 3 times in 15, 5 goes 20 times in 100. Now minus 3 by 20 means that if 20 is the marked price, then 20 minus 3, 17 is the selling price. Now here 17 is equal to 17 part is equal to selling price, means selling price is here is equal to 1173 and marked price here is equal to 1550. Now 0 cancel, 2 goes 77.5 times in 155 and 17 goes 20 into 6 is 120. So 17 goes 6 times in 117, remaining 15. So 17 goes 9 times in 153. Now you can see marked price and sell price ratio is 77.5 is to 69. Now difference between these two is equal to 8.5. Now 8.5 is around 11% of 77.5. 10% of 77.5 is 7.75, which means 8.5 is greater than 10%. So option D is your answer. A single discount equivalent to 3 successive discounts of 8%, 15% and 12% is, here use the successive discount formula, that is A plus B minus AB by 100. Now take the first 2 discount. Then count the successive discount. Here 8 plus 15 is 23%. 23% minus 8 into 15 divided by 100 is, here 15 into 8 is 120. Now 120 by 100 is 1.2. So 23 minus 1.2 is 21.8%. Now this is 21.8%. Now take the 21.8% and 12%. 21.8% plus 12% minus 21.8 into 12 by 100. Now here 12 goes 8 times in 100. 12 into 8 is 96, remaining 4. So 12 goes around 3 times. So 8.3 goes around 2 times in 21.8, remaining 4. So this will become 2.5. Now this can be around 21.8 plus 12 is equal to 33.8. Now 33.8 minus 2.5 is around 31%. Now option B is your answer. Same way, a single discount equivalent to 3 successive discount of 30% and 40% and 50% is. Here take 30 and 40 first. 30 plus 40 is 70%. 70 minus 30 into 40 divided by 100 is, this is 1200 by 100 is 12. 70 minus 12 is 58%. So this is 58%. Now 58% and 50%, take it. 50% plus 58% minus 50 into 58 divided by 100. Now 50 goes 2 times in 100, 2 goes 29 times in 58. Now you can see 58% minus 29% is 29%. So this is 50 plus 29, 79%. Option A is your answer. A reduction of 20% in the price of rice enable a buyer to buy 5 kg more for rupees 1200. The reduced price per kilogram of rice will be. Here you can see this extra 5 kg is because of the 20% discount in the price. And this extra 5 kilogram is also based on this 1200 rupees, which means 20% of this given rupees 1200 resulting in this extra 5 kilogram. Here percentage and 00 cancel. 5 goes 4 times in 20, which means 1 kilogram is equal to 12 into 4, 48 rupees. That is 1 kilogram price is equal to 48 rupees. So option D is your answer. Next is a reduction of 20% in the price of rice enable a buyer to buy 2 kilogram more for rupees 30. Find the reduced and the original price per kilogram of rice. Here this 20% discount resulting in this extra 2 kilogram, and this 2 kilogram also coming from this 30 rupees, which means 20% of this 30 resulting in this 2 kilogram. That is 20% of this rupees 30 resulting in this extra 2 kilogram. Now percentage and 00 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, that is 1 kilogram cost is equal to 3 rupees. 1 kilogram cost is equal to 3 rupees. Now you can see this is the reduced price. This 3 rupees is the reduced price. How much reduced? 20% is reduced. That means 80% of the price is equal to 3 rupees. But we need to find out the original price as well. Original price is 100%. So 100% is equal to, here 80% is 3 rupees means 80 by 100 is 3 rupees. Now 20 goes 4 times in 80, 20 goes 5 times in 100. Now 4 by 5 is equal to 3 rupees means, here 100% means 1 unit. So 1 unit is equal to 3 into 5, 15 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 goes 3 times in 12, remaining 3. So 3 by 4. That is 3.3 by 4 rupees, which is equal to 3.75 rupees. That is original price is equal to 3.75 rupees and reduced price is equal to 3 rupees. That is option A is your answer. You can also solve this question in ratio method as well. That is, here reduction in price is 20%. 20% reduction means 20 by 100. Now 20 goes 5 times in 100. Minus 1 by 5 means if 5 part is the original price, then 1 part is the reduction. That is 5 minus 1, 4 part is the new price. Now this is 4 by 5 is price ratio. So take the reverse of price ratio, which is equal to 5 by 4. Now this is the quantity ratio. That is, here 2 kilogram is the difference in quantity. That is 5 part minus 4 part is equal to 1 part. This 1 part is equal to 2 kilogram given in the question. That is 2 kilogram is the extra quantity here. Now if 1 part is 2 kilogram, 5 part is equal to 5 into 2, 10 kilogram. And 4 part is equal to 4 into 2, 8 kilogram. Now this 10 kilogram cost 30 rupees. Which means 1 kilogram cost 3 rupees. This is the reduced price. Now this 8 kilogram also cost 30 rupees. This was the original price. Which means 1 kilogram cost 3.3 by 4 rupees. So option A is your answer. So you can do either way. The marked price of sofa set is 4800, which is sold at 3672 at 2 successive discounts. If the first discount is 10%, then what will be the second discount in percentage? Here marked price of this sofa set is 4800 and which is sold at 3672. This is the selling price. Now there is 2 successive discount and first discount is 10%. Now this 10% discount is on this 4800. Now 10% of 4800 is 480. 4800 minus 480 is equal to, if I subtract 500, which will become 4300. So 4320 is the price after 10% discount on this marked price. Now here difference between these two. Here selling price is 3672. Price after first discount is 4320. Now difference between these two. 672 plus 28 is 700. So 328 plus 320, 648 is the difference. Now here if you look at these answers, this is 13, 14, 15, 17. So here 10% of 4320 is 432, and if I take 5%, which will become 216. Now if I add this will become 648. So this is 10% and this is 5%. So 10 plus 5, 15% is your answer. So option C is your answer. That is 648 is 15% of 4320. So second discount is 15%. A shopkeeper sells a table at a discount of 20% and earns a profit of 60%. If he sells the same table at 40% discount, what will be his new profit? Here, consider marked price of this table as 100 rupees. Now, he sells the table at a discount of 20% means 20% discount on this 100 rupees means 100 minus 20. 80 rupees is the selling price of this table. Now, after selling this as 80, he gets 60% profit. So, 60% profit means if 100 rupees is the cost price, 100 plus 60, 160 rupees is the selling price. Now, selling price minus cost price is the profit, that is 160 minus 100, 60% is the profit. But here, 80 rupees is the selling price. Which means if I divide this ratio with 2, this will become 80 and this will become 50. Now 80 rupees is the selling price equalized, which means 50 is the cost price if 80 is selling price. So cost price is 50 rupees. Now we got cost price, which means if he sells the same table at 40% discount, we need to find out the profit. That is 100 rupees is the marked price, and if he give 40% discount, 100 minus 40, 60 rupees is the selling price. And we already know cost price is 50. So, here profit, if he sell it at 40% discount is, sell price minus cost price is 60 minus 50 upon cost price is 50 into 100 is the profit, which is equal to 50 goes 2 times in 100. So, 10 into 2 is 20%. So, profit is 20%. Option A is your answer. A shopkeeper marks up his wares by 80% and offers 20% discount. What will be the selling price if the cost price is rupees 450? Here, total increment is equal to, here increases by 80% and decreases by 20% means 80 minus 20, 60% plus 80 into minus 20 divided by 100. This is the total increment. Here 0 cancel. Now minus 16 plus 60 is plus 44%. So this is the increment, which means 450 plus 44% of 450 is the selling price. Now 10% of 450 is 45, which means 40% is equal to 45 into 4, 190. Now 4% of 450. Here 1% is 4.5. Then 4% is 4.5 into 4, 18. Now total is equal to 648 is the selling price. So option D is your answer. A shopkeeper allows 25% discount on the marked price of an article and suffered a loss of 15%. What will be the profit percentage if the article is sold at marked price? Here 25% discount is on the marked price, which means 25% discount on the marked price means if 100 rupees is the marked price, 100 minus 25, 75 rupees is the selling price. And when he do that, he suffered a loss of 15%. So 15% loss means if 100 rupees is the cost price, 100 minus 15, 85 rupees is the selling price. Now, I need to take the ratio of cost price and mark price. I can cancel sell price here. So, take the ratio. Now, sell price and mark price ratio. Sell price and mark price ratio is equal to 75:100. And I need to cancel sell price here. So, take the ratio of cost price and sell price. So, cost price and sell price ratio. So, I can cancel the sell price here. So, cost price and sell price ratio in the second is equal to 100:85. 100:85. Now, I'll get cost price and mark price ratio. Here 100 cancel. So, 75:85 is the cost price and mark price ratio. And here it says, when the article is sold at mark price, we need to find out the profit percentage. So, here, if mark price is equal to sell price, then we need to find out the profit from this. Here profit formula is equal to sell price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. Now profit is equal to, here mark price is sell price. Here mark price is equal to 85. So 85 minus cost price is 75 divided by cost price 75 into 100. Now which is equal to 25 goes 3 times in 75, 25 goes 4 times in 100. So 85 minus 75 is 10. So 40/3 is equal to 13.33%. So option C is your answer. On selling an article at 15% discount, a shopkeeper incurs a loss of 10%. If he sells the same article at 25% discount, then what is his profit or loss? Here, this shopkeeper sells this article at 15% discount. Here, 15% discount means if 100 rupees is the marked price, that is MRP. If 100 is the MRP, then 100 minus 15, 85 rupees is the selling price. Now, when he sells like that, he incurs a loss of 10%. That means he lost 10%. So, 10% loss means if 100 rupees is the cost price, cost of the article is 100 rupees, then 100 minus 10, 90 rupees is the selling price. That is 10% loss. Now, then he sells the same article at 25% discount. Here 25% discount means if 100 rupees is the MRP, that is marked price, then 100 minus 25, 75 rupees is the selling price. Now take all these ratios. But I need here sell price and cost price ratio. Out of these all, I need sell price and cost price ratio. So take accordingly. Here I will take mark price and sell price ratio first. Mark price and sell price ratio, which is equal to 100:85. Now I will take sell price and cost price ratio. Sell price and cost price ratio, which is equal to 90:100. Now I need to cancel mark price. So I will take sell price and mark price ratio. Sell price and mark price ratio, which is equal to 75:100. Now here, mark price cancel, sell price cancel. Remaining is sell price and cost price ratio. So I get sell price and cost price ratio from here. Here 100 cancel. 25 goes 3 times in 75. 25 goes 4 times in 100. Now here, if I cancel 90 and 85 with 5, 5 goes 18 times in 90. 5 goes 17 times in 85. Now 2 goes 2 times in 4, 2 goes 9 times in 80. Now remaining is 9 into 3, 27 and 17 into 2, 34. Now here you can see, here sell price is lesser than cost price, which means here it is a loss. So this is a loss means either A or C will be your answer. Here difference between sell price and cost price is 7 part. So 7 is how much percentage of 34, that will be your answer. So here loss is equal to sell price minus cost price is 7 part. 7 part is out of this 34 part cost price into 100. So 7 is how much percentage of 34? That is your answer. 700 by 34. Here 34 goes 2 times in 70, remaining 0. Then this will be around 5. So this is nearly 20.6. So option C is your answer. So when he sells the article at 25% discount, he incurs a loss of 20.6%.